Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these super delicious chicken, steak, and shrimp fajitas so you can all make it from the comfort of your home. They're so delicious and really easy to make. Now to give it that restaurant touch, we're going to be using this 12-inch cast iron griddle. Besides it being beautiful, it's so easy to use and the quality is amazing. We're going to start by thinly slicing our veggies and we set them to the side. We do the same with our beef and with our chicken breasts, and we'll also be using shrimp. Now it's time to season our proteins with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of cumin, paprika for color, and some cooking oil. Next, we heat up our griddle on medium heat. We add some cooking oil, and once it's hot, we add our beef. We're going to cook that very well. Once it's nice and brown, we remove it and set it to the side. Next comes the chicken breast. Once they're fully cooked and golden, we set it to the side. Then we add our shrimp. We're going to let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Then we remove them. And then finally, we're going to add our veggies. We're going to season them with salt and black pepper. We're going to give them a good mix. And we're going to add our proteins back to the griddle. We give it a final mix, and now our fajitas are ready. Don't forget to use your silicone handle covers so you don't burn yourself. But I served them up with rice, a salsa, a little bit of lime, and now they are ready to enjoy.